Fight, we will. Boots and parachutes, all the guns of the foe, and still get ready. Airborne from heading the goal. We're coming. Make the jumps and take your bows today. Let's go put on your boots, your jumping boots, your parachute.
And today on Have a Knife Day, it is December 22nd, 2025, and we're going to be talking about my first Hinderer knife that I purchased all the way back in 2019 and completely forgot to do a video on. So let's take a look at this knife. And it's a good looking little knife. Here's my little lanyard. You know, you can kind of see the theme going on here. Lots of skulls. And let's open it up. This is why I bought it. I'm a really big fan of the Harpoon Spanto, or they call it the Spanto. Amazing little knife. Because it just locks into your hand and it feels so damn good. That's what she said. All right, so let's pull out the Have a Knife Day official ruler. Now, the working edge from tip to tail is 3 1/8 of an inch. Now, when you kick it all the way back, it does go to 3 1/2. Fully open, 8 1/4, and closed, we're going to call that 4 3/4. So there you go. Thank you so much. Have a Knife Day ruler. We'll pop this open. So it was really interesting trying to find information on this knife from back in 2019. And it got me thinking, wow, 2019, the world was a very different place. Well, you know. So this is the Hinderer Knives XM-18 Harpoon Spanto folding knife, black stonewash. This has a CPM S35BN blade, black stonewash lock side, black G10 handle, and the tri-way pivot. And let's see here, Harpoon Spanto grind plain edge, blade thickness is 0.15625. That is a really long number. Good enough for me. Lock style frame lock. And the handle material is black G10 and DLC black stonewash titanium. And that is, of course, right hand tip up, tip down. Sorry, lefties. And it weighs in approximately at 5.70 ounces. So, Christmas time is nearly here, and what is on your knife wish list for this season? What a nice little knife. And the interesting thing is, in the next video, we're going to be looking at my second Hinderer knife. So thank you very much for spending time here with me today. Please do remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And as always, have a nice day.
Fight, we will. Boots and parachutes, all the guns of the foe, and still get ready. Airborne from skies of blue, heading the goal. We're coming. Make the jumps and take your bows today. Let's go put on your boots, your jumping boots, your parachute. Your parachute, get all those gliders ready to attack today.